Hey friends, today I will show you how to replace the catalytic converter.
Welcome you all to my channel. My name is Asanka. In a perfect world, if you mix carbon with hydrogen and mix oxygen and give a small spark, that's all your combustion engine is going to do. Due to excessive heat of an engine, which will create carbon monoxide, which is very bad and poisonous. The catalytic converter will reduce the effect of those poisonous air and improve your fuel economy. You have seen your better days. It's time for me to let you go, catalytic converter. The main reason for me to replacing you is this distortion noise. There are many ways of dealing this problem. Here you can see we are removing the patchwork which has been done by the previous owner. Here you can use a blade or a blowtorch. The length of this cut will be depending on the new catalytic converter that you're going to be replacing. I hope you have enjoyed them. Please do subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much for watching.